Okay, this is section 3.2, problem number 4. You have two graphs here. You have a graph of the function f of x, which is this line, and a graph of the parabola. The blue one is g of x. And your first little problem A here is f plus g of 4. That means you want to find what f of 4 is, you want to find what g of 4 is, and then add them together. F of 4, we go up here. When x is 4, the red one, x is 4, that's the x value. The y value is the function value, that is 1. G of 4, well, when x is 4, the blue one is -1. So the g of 4 is -1. 1 plus -1 is 0. Then the next little thing that you're supposed to do for b is f plus g of 6. So you're going to do basically the same thing, except instead of having a 4 that you're going to look for, you're going to be looking for the 6. Okay. What are we going to have with 6? Okay, f of 6, red 6, the y is -3. G, blue, 6, -5. So you've got -3 and -5. When you add those together, you get -8. So that was adding when you had a 4. This was adding when you had x as a 6. Very similar type problems. C and D are over here. C is f minus g of 8. So we would go and we would look for where f is 8. Red 8. The corresponding y is -7. Minus g of 8. G is blue. Blue 8. The corresponding value is -1. -7 minus a -1. Remember, those two negatives become positive. -7 plus 1 is -6. Now they reverse this for D and do G minus f of 8. And as we know, you don't always get the same answer when you subtract. Order is important. So G is blue, 8, -1. F of 8, F is red, red 8, -7. -1 minus the -7, -1 plus 7 will end up being +6. Okay. E is f times g of 4. F of 4, red 4 corresponds with the 1. The y is 1. G of 4, blue, G. 4, the y is -1. 1 times -1 is -1. F is f divided by g of 6. So you can find f of 6 and g of 6 and divide them. F is red, 6. You pick up the y as -3. G of 6, the blue. When x is 6, the corresponding function or y value is -5. Well, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so we would reduce that, change it to a +3/5.